Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, convert page PDF to JPG in Photoshop. So let's started. At first open your Photoshop document. Now you can see convert PDF to JPG. Now going to the file menu option, then click. Now click from open option. Now find your PDF page. Now select from PDF. Now click from open option. Now click OK. Now you can see open the PDF page. This PDF page convert JPG. Now I'm going to the again file menu option, then click. Now click from save as option. Now you can see then it show the new interface. Now type from name. Now select from format. Now we can see now select from JPG. Now click from save. Now click OK. Now click then again OK. That it's now find your now check the now you can see then that it's then check the PDF to JPG file format. That it's now you can see paste PDF convert to JPG.